What are we going to start working on this morning? Triumph, Norton, Harley, Indian. Probably Norton. Or maybe the muffler for the Flanders.